Hello kids. Today we will be exploring cells on a field trip.
Oh boy. I'm so excited for the field trip, Mr. Bicklebopper.
Now let's get into that school bus over there.
Okay.
Once the last kid, Reg and all, got onto the bus started to shrink and morph into a jet at the same time.
Now class, we are going to explore the animal cell.
Okay,
Okay kids, we are going to start from the inside of the cell and work our way out. If you notice on the monitor, the diagram of the nucleus will show. First we are going to start at the nucleolus. The nucleolus was long known as a mystery. Modern day scientists now know, however, that the construction of ribosomes start in here. When Scottish botanist Robert Brown discovered the nucleus in 1831, he already had an idea that the organelle was doing something very important. Class, say hello to the brain of the cell, the nucleus. The nucleus controls most cell processes and contains the hereditary information of DNA. This the ribosome. It makes protein chains by adding amino acids to a growing protein line. There are two types of ribosomes: free ribosomes and bound ribosomes. We are now at the rough endoplasmatic reticulum, or ER for short. It has this name because of the ribosomes stuck to its surface.
Hey, look over there. What is that?
That's the smooth ER. It creates lipids and detoxifies the cell. Here is the mitochondria. It produces energy, also known as ATP. To your right, you will see the cytoplasm. It holds the organelles in place. The cell membrane is now at your left. The membrane is selectively permeable. When molecules enter the membrane, it is known as diffusion. There are two types of diffusion: active transport and passive transport. Active transport requires chemical energy and passive transport doesn't. Hey, over there, it's the centrioles. The centrioles provide structures for the cell and make up the cytoskeleton. The centrioles are made of microtubules and microfilaments. This here is the Golgi apparatus. It packages, sorts, and sends materials inside and outside the cell. It sends materials in vesicles. Vesicles act like delivery trucks that take the materials to the destination. This is a lysosome. Lysosomes act like the stomach of the cell. It digests old cell parts and food for the cell. The cilia and flagella structures are for motion. They allow a cell to move around.